Welcome. Are you having trouble logging into your Instagram account? You've come to the right place. Today, we will guide you through the updated steps to log into Instagram easily and efficiently. Whether you're a first-time user or returning to the platform after a break, getting into your account can sometimes be a bit tricky. But don't worry, we'll make it simple. To start, make sure you have the Instagram app installed on your Android device. Once you have it up and running, go ahead and open the app. You'll be greeted by the login screen where you'll need to enter your details. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Ensure that your app is updated to the latest version for a smooth experience. Step 2. On the login screen, type in your username or email address along with your password. Double-check for any typos, as a simple mistake can keep you locked out. Step 3. Once your information is entered correctly, tap the Login button. With just a simple tap, you're on your way to exploring your Instagram feed, connecting with friends, and catching up on the latest posts. Step 4. And there you have it. If everything goes smoothly, you'll be logged in and ready to go. However, if you happen to forget your password, don't panic. Simply tap on Forgot Password and follow the steps provided to reset your password. And there you go. A quick and effortless way to log into your Instagram account. Now, you can dive into all the amazing content and connections waiting for you. Thanks for joining us today, and happy Instagramming.